Is it really that important to research your own stocks? I mean, there's so many good stocks that really smart investors are selecting, and on Google, there's so many good stocks that I see there. Even Warren Buffett has some of these stocks. Why can't I just pick them and not do the research myself? Well, let's look into why. Oh, yo, let me check out what Jeremy's picking this month. 3 stocks for this month. All right, all right. Oh, cool. That stock looks pretty interesting. Yeah, I've heard of that one before. Okay, I'm gonna get that stock. Man, why is this stock going down? Why do I even have this stock? Man, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. The stock is gonna go down to zero, and there's so horrible news about this stock. It's just bad news article after bad news article. Even the media is talking so badly about this stock. Man, I'm just gonna sell out of the stock right now. I don't want to lose more money, and I think that they're gonna go bankrupt, just like everyone's saying. So it's so important to do your own research and pick your own stocks, and to have a story and thesis behind where you think that stock is going, what they're going to be doing as a company, and your evaluation of the company. And if you don't have a story, so if I just buy a stock and I don't have a story, because I just follow another YouTuber or Google or some famous investor and just pick their stock because they're doing that, I won't know, first of all, what my story is, so I won't have the conviction to own that stock. But secondly, when something happens to that stock or that company, I won't have my story, so I won't know when the story is broken and when I need to get out and leave and sell that stock. Because if that stock is not, in line with my research, my values, and where I see that company going, then I need to get out of that stock. So it's really important to do your own research, know where that company is going with your story and values, and that's going to help you. Having that story is going to help you stick with that stock through thick and thin. So if that stock is starting to go down in value, you're going to be able to stick with that stock and not sell out and be swayed by all the media information that's coming out, negative stories, bad thing that's happening in the company in the short run. And you have to also understand that media that comes out about a company, they're trying to keep their business afloat by being sensational and having those clicks and views. So it might look really bad for your company. They might spin it in in an especially bad way against the company that you own. And you just have to have your own understanding of the company and know where they're going to be in the long run, and not worry about the short run and the headlines that come out. Those are usually good opportunities to add more to the position, because those are short-term things that are going to scare some people away from the stock, and that's going to be a really good opportunity for you to add to your position. So have that story and your thesis of where that stock is going in the long run to help you decide when to stay in the stock, when to leave the stock. And it's of course fine to own stocks that other people recommend and other people own and experienced investors have, and those are really good stocks to look into and do your own research to get your own conviction, your own story, so that you know when to stay in that stock, when to leave that stock. If one reason that you're in a stock is because the dividend keeps increasing, when that stock starts to cut their dividend, that might be a time where your thesis and your story and the reasons you're in that stock might be in jeopardy. So that might be a time to shave or leave that position for another stock that is in line with what you want out of a stock and what you look for as an investor. So just remember those things that are core to you and the research that you've done to help you decide whether or not that stock and your story is still intact. Well, I hope this video was useful to you, and remember that these videos are for your entertainment and educational purposes only. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.